Hi guys, welcome to another video on the New Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can key in Latin symbols on your document using your keyboard on Windows 11. Now the first thing is to open up your document, and once you've done that, you'd want to press on the start button plus V on your keyboard, and as soon as this dialog box pops up, you'd want to click on the first icon to the left and then scroll down to the symbols section and then click on this arrow to see more symbols and scroll down to find the Latin symbols. Alright, so here we have Latin symbols, and you can just find the appropriate symbol you'd want to use, and once seen, so just go ahead and hit on the symbol and it's gonna get added to your document instantly. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.